windows, we do ask that you stay in your seats a few more minutes until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Of course, we recommend that you have your seatbelts fastened throughout the flight. A reminder again that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board the aircraft, including the washrooms, which are equipped with smoke detectors. The washrooms are located throughout the back of the aircraft. Please don't cross the curtains at row 4 unless you are escorted by a crew member. Thank you. Mesdames et messieurs, on demande bien de rester assis, ceinture bouclée jusqu'à l'extinction des consignes lumineuses. Et on vous recommande de garder votre ceinture bouclée durant le vol. Et on vous rappelle qu'il n'y a pas permis de fumer à bord de l'avion. Ceci inclut dans les toilettes qui sont équipées des détecteurs de fumée. A little bit of information about our flight. When our video system is on, you can watch some movies, TV shows, play games. At this point, you can wear your own headsets. However, if you didn't bring your own headset, we do have those available at a cost, as well as a comfort kit, which includes your pillow, blanket, headset, other amenities, alcoholic drinks and snacks available as well throughout the flight. You will find this information in the seat pocket in front of you. In the same seat pocket is our duty-free brochure. Brochure prices are in Canadian dollars. Remember that only credit cards are accepted. Yeah, lunch will be served, and after entering the Canadian coastline, a light snack will also be served. Also, in a few minutes, we'll be giving you a landing card for your entry into Toronto. You'll be listed up to 4 family members living at the same address on one card. If you need anything else during the flight, let us know. Otherwise, sit back, relax. Have a nice flight.